Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is brought to you by the CMT Association where we will learn about the technical analysis of stock markets. Now what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is a trading discipline employed to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities by analyzing statistical trends gathered from trading activity, such as price movement and volume. Unlike fundamental analysis, which attempts to evaluate a security's value based on business results such as sales and earnings, technical analysis focuses on the study of price and volume. Now let us understand how technical analysis tools are used. They are used to scrutinize the ways supply and demand for a security will affect changes in price, volume, and implied volatility. It operates from the assumption that past trading activity and price changes of a security can be valuable indicators of the security's future price movements when paired with appropriate investing or trading rules. Now, coming to where to use this technical analysis. Technical analysis can be applied to any security with historical trading data. This includes stocks, futures, commodities, fixed income, currencies, and other securities. In fact, technical analysis is far more prevalent in commodities and forex markets where traders focus on short term price movements. Technical analysis attempts to forecast the price movement of virtually any tradable instrument that is generally subject to forces of supply and demand, including stocks, bonds, futures, and currency pairs. In fact, some view technical analysis as simply the study of supply and demand forces as reflected in the market price movements of a security. Now let's learn what are the technical analysis indicators. In general, technical analysts look at the following broad types of indicators: price trends, chart patterns, volume and momentum indicators, oscillators, moving averages, support and resistance levels. Now let us understand the basic difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating securities by attempting to measure the intrinsic value of a stock. The core assumption of technical analysis, on the other hand, is that all known fundamentals are factored into price. Thus, there is no need to pay close attention to them. Technical analysts do not attempt to measure a security's intrinsic value, but instead use stock charts to identify patterns and trends that might suggest what the security will do in the future. Now let us look at the limitations of technical analysis. Critics of technical analysis argue that history does not exactly repeat itself, thus the assumption of the technical analysis itself is not accurate. Since it is argued that history does not repeat itself, the critics find study of price patterns useless. Another criticism is that technical analysis works only in the same cases, and the reason it works is that it contains a self-fulfilling prophecy. Also, technical analysis is limited to studying market trends and lacks the ability to deep dive into an instrument or an industry to understand its workings. Now let us come to the assumptions of technical analysis. Basically, technical analysis theory is based on the following three assumptions. The market discounts everything. Analysts believe that the impact of all the factors ranging from fundamentals to wider market psychology is already incorporated in the stock price. Second is, price moves in trends. According to technical analysts, prices will exhibit trends even in non-uniform market movements, and this does not happen upon the time frame in consideration. Third is, history repeats itself. According to technical analysts, history is likely to repeat itself. This is attributed to the usually predictable market psychology, which affects price in a repetitive nature. Lastly, we learn about the chartered market technician. Among professional analysts, the CMT Association supports the largest collection of chartered or certified analysts using technical analysis professionally around the world. The association's chartered market technician designation can be obtained after three levels of exams that cover both a broad and deep look at the technical analysis tools. The association now waives level 1 of the CMT exam for those who are certified financial analysts chartered holders. That was all about the technical analysis. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.